So what we're looking at this point is back on Friday, November 17th before earnings. We're moving up continually into these liquidity zones. You can see that we tested this resistance one more time with a big bullish order block moving in. So obviously at this point, we're not shorting because we're still over all of our trend levels and we're still definitely holding the 50 SMA. So our key time to be looking to short is minimum going to be the break of the 50 SMA. So we get the pullback going into the day of earnings, and then after earnings, boom, we get the drop. On this drop, this is where we break the 50. So this is our potential time of, okay, this is not 100% the best time to go short. It doesn't mean that this is going to be the big drop down to maybe 400, but it does mean that we've finally seen a change of character, not necessarily from a market structure standpoint, but we've seen that we're finally doing something different here by breaking the 50 SMA. Now, I would expect a bounce here at 480 because it's the previous week low. That's our pivot point. And this is also our liquidity area here as well. So as we pull down into the liquidity area, you're going to see this bounce. And what we're really looking for is going to be this potential, if we draw our Fibonacci here, the potential move up into this level. This is the level that we want to start to short at, right between here, about 495 down to about 490 bucks. So we wait for that continued push up. We could start a short here. And then what we're going to do from this point is set a stop loss at a higher high or take profit down at 482. So from here, we're testing the potential rejection, and then boom, we get this move down to about $480. So at this point, we could take our profits, and I probably would because we're still in this uptrend, right? So let's just go and flatten. Now, what happens from this point is we could potentially see the break of previous week lows that would move us down to 470. So we let this play out. We're trying to hold the pivot level. We're consolidating. And now this is currently where we're sitting. So at this point, I'd be covering the short position that we were talking about over on X and within our private community. And what I would instead be looking for is a potential bounce here around 470. So let's just zoom out here on the 4 hour really quickly so that we can get a little bit better of a picture here. Once this level of 480 is broken, the next section we're going to is down here at about 461, which is, I had short target here, but I'd really say short target about here. And then our next short target would be down around 430 and about 403. So I am not going long yet. If it drops down to 460, I will go long. I'll probably set a position up like this where I'll enter at 460, look to take my profit at 500 and set a tight stop somewhere around 445 bucks. I hope this video helps, guys. Thanks for all the support, and I'll see you next time. Peace.